We start tonight with the growing fears among doctors of a
Let's go to Russia now, where Vladimir Putin says the country has passed the peak.
The death toll is headed towards 3,000. There are around 40,000.
Man, this whole news is really getting to me. I gotta do something, like right now.
Since I have so much time on my hands right now, I decided to actually make a video about why I love the Mavic 2 Pro so much. And here are 5 reasons why. One of the main reasons has definitely got to be its size. It's just so portable. I can just bring it everywhere I go, and I'm not lazy to bring it around because of its size. I mean, I know myself better than anyone else. If a drone is any bigger than this, I'll probably get too lazy to bring it around, and it'll defy the whole purpose of me buying a drone in the first place. So size definitely does matter for me, because if you've got yourself a really huge drone, you're definitely going to attract a lot of attention and you won't get the shots that you want. So yeah, that's very important. Now, the next reason why I love it so much has definitely got to be because of its transmission. Because once there I actually flew it, and I flew it about 2 kilometers away, and I had no problems at all, no issues. It was still transmitting. I was even afraid to actually push it even further, but transmission from the OcuSync 2.0 is really good, especially if you don't really have any buildings around. It can go for miles, and it's amazing. Now, next has definitely got to be its 10-bit color. I mean, I can really stretch the images so far, a lot further than what I used to be able to do on my Mavic, my original Mavic, that is. With my older Mavic being 8-bit, it meant that every time I stretched a bit further, it would start to break. But with this 10-bit codec, it really does stay quite solid. And because I like grading all my drone footage on Davinci Resolve, it means I just have got so much room to alter things around. And that's just something that I didn't get with my old Mavic. Now, I can't say this often enough, but I really like the fact that this drone has got so many sensors. I'm hardly even afraid about flying it indoors or doing crazy stuff with this drone, because it just detects everything that I need it to. Of course, it's not perfect, but it's way better than what I used to have with the original Mavic. Another reason why I think that this drone really sets itself apart from the older one is the fact that the image sensor now is so much more sensitive towards low light, and it's really good. So if you're in a scenario where you've got low light, don't worry, you're definitely covered with that 1-inch sensor. Okay, I have to admit, I'm gonna cheat a little. I did say there's 5 reasons of why I love the drone, but in actual fact, there's a bit more than that. The other thing I love about this drone is the fact that the battery life really lasts a lot longer than the original Mavic. I can fly about 24 minutes or so, and that's really great. Also, I love the fact that the setup time is so quick. You know, the whole form factor of it being foldable and, you know, just getting straight into action is so useful, especially if you need to shoot really quickly. And I guess the final reason why I love the drone so much is the fact that if you do buy the Pro and if you shoot in 4K, essentially you don't really need the Mavic 2 zoom, because if you shoot in 4K, you actually have 2 different modes. One in FOV mode, which is a lot wider, and a high quality mode, which is a lot more cropped in. So in actual fact, you kind of have a Mavic 2 zoom as well. So I really think that that's so useful. And those are the very reasons why I love the Mavic 2 Pro so much. And even though I know that the Mavic 2 Air is out, but so many reviewers out there have been saying that the image quality of the Mavic 2 Pro is way more superior than the Mavic 2 Air. It's just a matter of what you're really looking for. If you are on a tighter budget, perhaps, then you might as well get the Air. However, if image quality is the #1 priority, then I'd say stick with the Mavic 2 Pro. You can't go wrong with it.